Assalamu alaikum. This is a fifth lecture of Discrete Homotopy Theory. Today I will explain the definition of concatenation of paths. Okay. So let's say x be a graph and x comma x prime comma x double prime belongs to the vertices set of graph. So given two paths, we have a two paths. First is gamma from x to x prime, and second path is sigma from x prime to x double prime. Okay, so both of finite length paths whose the length of gamma is equal to m and the length of sigma is n respectively, their concatenation, if we concatenate both of paths, so starting from x and end at x double prime, okay, defined by the map. This map is given by the equation, this equation, gamma concatenation sigma. If we substitute less than or equal, if we I substitute less than or equal to m, we will get this part. If we give substitute m is greater than or if we I substitute I is greater than or equal to m, so we will get this path. So substitute this. So first of all, we substitute 0, because the length of im plus n, okay, from x. So 0, then m plus n, okay. So first we substitute 0, so we will lie here. So this is equal to gamma of 0. According to the definition of gamma, we will get x, okay. If we substitute m, okay, so we will lie here. So gamma of m, by definition of gamma, we will get x prime. If we substitute m again, so we will lie this part, because m is included here, also here. So we will lie here. So m minus m. So sigma of 0, we will get x prime. Again, we will substitute the last point. This is what is the last point? Last point is m plus n. If we substitute in the place of I is m plus n, okay, so what we will get? M plus n minus m. So m minus m cancel. So we get gamma sigma of n. So we will get x double prime. Okay. So here we can see the concatenation of gamma and sigma is a path from x, starting from x and end at x double prime. Okay. This is the definition of concatenation. So how can we concatenate two paths or more than two paths? If what is the main idea of this? If the path, let's suppose, if a path, this is 1, this is 2, and this is another path, 2 to 3. So if the end point of one path is equal to the starting point of second path, so we can concatenate both paths or continuous functions into algebraic topology. This is a concept from algebraic topology, concatenation of paths, or we can say product of paths. So we can concatenate. Means if another path, there is another path, let's say this is alpha. So alpha from 3 to 4. So we can concatenate alpha to sigma. Because why? Because the end point of sigma is equal to the starting point of gamma. So we can concatenate when we concatenate if the end point of one path is equal to the starting point of another path, so we can concatenate both the paths. Okay. Allah Hafiz.